Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove mobile pattern lock. So if you guys have forgotten your pattern lock on your Android phone, there are several ways to remove or reset it. So the method you use depends on your device and whether you have access to your Google account or not. So the first method, you can use Google Find My Device if enabled. If your phone is linked to a Google account and Find My Device is turned on, you can just erase the pattern or lock remotely. So you can just open a browser and then just go to the Google Find My Device. This one's right here. And you can just sign in with the Google account linked to your lock phone. Then you can just select your device from the list and click on erase device, and this will remove the pattern lock but also delete all data. And after that, you can just restart your phone and set it up again. So this method works on Samsung, Xiaomi, Realme, OnePlus, and other Android brands. Second one, you can just use the reset lock using forgot pattern options if you are using Android 5 to 7. So if your phone runs on Android 5 to 7 such Lollipop, Marshmallow, or Nougat, you might see a forget pattern options after several failed attempts. So you can just enter the wrong pattern 5 times until you see the forgot pattern options. So you can just tap on the forgot pattern and choose enter Google account details. Now you can just sign in with your Google account and reset the lock. And next, if you are using Samsung, you can just use the Find My Mobile, but it's only for some Samsung users. So you can just sign in with your Samsung account, select your lock phone, and click unlock. And after that, you can just follow the on-screen instructions to remove the lock. For the last resort, you can use the factory reset. So it will erase data of your phone. So use this if you cannot access Google Find My Device or Samsung Find My Mobile, because this will erase all data on your phone. So the step is that you can just turn off your phone. So just turn off, power off your phone, and then you can just enter to the recovery mode by going to press and hold power and volume up. And after that, you can just use the volume key to navigate to the wipe data or factory reset and press power to confirm. Select yes and then reboot system now. And after the reset, your phone will be unlocked but all data will be erased. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.